Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today we're wrapping up our discussion on the first part of the core values of our crypto community manifesto. If you missed the first half, don't worry. You haven't been left in the dust like a forgotten Bitcoin wallet. So let's dive into these 5 pillars that guide our community like a trusty compass in the wild crypto jungle. First up, we have unity. This isn't just about holding hands and singing Kumbaya, though that sounds fun. It's about standing together as a community, supporting each other to reach our individual and collective goals. Because let's face it, no one wants to climb the crypto ladder alone, right? Next we move on to capital accumulation. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this just a fancy way of saying we want to get rich? Well, sort of. We're driven by profit, but we also recognize that accumulating capital fuels progress and innovation. It's like watering a plant. The more you invest, the bigger it grows. Then there's competition and goal orientation. We're not just here to play around, we're here to win. Think of it as a friendly race. Everyone's encouraged to strive for excellence. It's about bringing out the best in ourselves and each other, not just coasting along on autopilot. Now let's chat about collective success. This pillar reminds us that each of us is a vital part of the community. Your success is linked to mine and mine to yours. So when we prioritize the community's interests, everyone benefits. It's like a giant group hug, but without the awkwardness of too much personal space invasion. Finally, we wrap up with equal opportunity and access. We believe everyone deserves a shot in the crypto space. No one should be left behind just because they don't have access to resources or information. Fairness is key. Think of it as leveling the playing field. No crypto player left in the shadows. So, there you have it. Our first 5 core values summed up. Together, these principles create a solid foundation for a decentralized future where everyone can thrive. Let's keep pushing forward, supporting one another, and building a community that stands the test of time. Join us and reach your next crypto level.